If you see the message on Roblox that says reset your password before continuing, don't worry, it's an easy fix. First, click on the change password button and create a new strong password. Once you have done that, you will be logged back into your account with your updated credentials. To avoid running into this issue again, open your settings. From there, go to the security tab and enable two-step verification. Roblox gives you a few options for this, including using an authenticator app, your email address, or hardware security keys. By enabling two-factor authentication, you will add an extra layer of protection to your account and prevent that password reset message from appearing again. I hope this guide helped. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.